Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about the types of the synthetic fiber. Now first is the rayon. As you know, the silk fiber is obtained from the silkworm and it was first discovered in the China and it was kept very secret for a long time. Nobody knows about it, that from silkworm we get the silk thread, and this silk thread is a natural fiber. It is very costly also, but its beautiful texture fascinated everybody. So all the cloths which are made from the silks, they are very attractive, very beautiful, so all gets very attracted toward it. But it is very costly, the synthetic fibers are invented. This rayon is just like a silk. Toward the end of the 19th century, scientists were successfully in obtaining a fiber having the properties similar to that of silk, and this silk is obtained from the chemical treatment of the wood pulp. So this silk is also known as the artificial silk. Another name is rayon or artificial silk. Though it is obtained from a natural source, wood pulp, but it is chemically treated, so it comes in a man-made fiber. And this rayon is cheaper than silks and can be woven like silk fibers. It also be dyed in a wide variety of colors, means many colors can be obtained from this silks. We can see different colors of the silks. This rayon is mixed with the cotton to make bed sheets or mixed with wool also to make carpets. So this is about rayon. So what is rayon? Rayon is obtained by chemical treatment of the wood pulp. Understood it? Now next is the nylon. It is also another man-made fiber. In 1931, it was made without using any natural raw materials. Means it cannot be made from plants or animals, but it was prepared from coal, water and air. So it was the first fully synthetic, completely synthetic fiber. Nylon fiber was strong, elastic and light in nature. It was lustrous and easy to wash. लस्ट्रस मीन्स मुलायम होता है और बहुत इजी तरीके से वो वॉश कर सकते हैं. सो इट बिकम वेरी पॉपुलर फॉर मेकिंग क्लॉथ्स. इफ यू हैव यू सीन योर मम्मी साड़ी, it is made up of nylon, or some nylon shirts are also present. If we want to wash in water with detergents or soap, then it is washed very easily. All the dirt is removed very quickly from it, so it becomes very popular. We use many articles made from nylon, such as socks. You are wearing the socks. Ropes means dory. Tents, toothbrushes, car seat belts, sleeping bag, curtain, etc. Is it? So nylon is also used for making parachutes. See in this picture. Have you seen this in the TV or wherever you go for exertion, then you see there. Generally it is found in the mountainous area or in a plain area. For making parachutes and ropes for rock climbing, a nylon thread is actually stronger than a steel wire, means its durability, its strengthness is so hard. The steel wire is also poorer than the nylon thread. Okay. Now next is polyester and the acrylic. Polyester, have you heard the name polyester? It is also another synthetic fiber. This fabric made from this fiber does not get wrinkled easily. Wrinkled easily means उसके ऊपर सिलवटे नहीं पड़ते. We do not need to iron much more. It remains crisp and easy to wash. So it is quite usable for making dress material. You must have seen people wearing polyester shirts and other dresses. Terylene is a popular polyester. The name of the polyester is terylene. It can be drawn into very fine fibers that can be woven like the another yarn. Means जैसे दूसरे कपड़े बनते हैं इसी तरह से ये भी बहुत पतला और मुलायम सॉफ्ट कपड़ा इससे हम लोग बना सकते हैं. किससे? टेरिलिन से. Understood? So what is the polyester? The polymer, which is a synthetic fiber made up of the repeating units of ester. Beginning in the only I explained about it. Okay. Then PET bottles, पानी की जो पानी PET jars होती है, storing rice and sugar. All these are made up of this टेरिलिन और पॉलिस्टर. अंडरस्टूड? पॉलीथीन पेट का पूरा फॉर्म लॉन्ग फॉर्म है पॉलीइथिलीन टेट्राथैलेट. व्हाट इज दैट? पॉलीइथिलीन टेट्राथैलेट. ओके, सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस वर्ड फुल फॉर्म. एब्रिविएशन पॉलीथीन टेट्राथैलेट इज पेट, PET. पॉलिस्टर मीन्स पॉली प्लस ईस्टर. दैट ऑलरेडी आई हैड एक्सप्लेन इट. इज इट? Now polywool. Polywool means the mixture of polyester and the wool. That is called as the polywool. Polycot, polywool, terrycot. All these are the fabrics named by the polyester. These are the mixture of two or more than two types of the fiber. So it is known as the polyesters. Now we wear sweater. Is it in winter season? And use shawls or blankets in the winter. Many of these are actually not made from the natural wool, but they appear to resemble wool. Means वो wool जैसे दिखते हैं. They are prepared from another type of the synthetic fiber that is called as the acrylic. The wool obtained from the natural source is quite expensive because we get wool from the hairs of the sheep. So it is very expensive. While this artificial wool that called as acrylic is cheaper than the natural wool. So cloth made from acrylic are relatively cheap. They are available in a variety of colors also. Synthetic fibers, they are more durable and affordable, which make them more popular than the natural fibers. Okay. Next is petrochemicals. All the synthetic fibers are prepared by a number of processes using raw material of petroleum origin is called as the petrochemical. The synthetic fiber which is made by the chemical process by using the raw materials of petroleum products, they are known as the petrochemicals. Okay, you have to remember only the definition. Now next is the characteristics of the synthetic fiber that I will give you in the